Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make different home screens for focus modes on iPhone. So with this tutorial you'll be able to make multiple home screens on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings you are going to scroll down and you are going to select wallpaper. Once you have selected wallpaper you will be led to this page and you are going to tap on add new wallpaper if you haven't created any wallpaper as yet. Then from here you can select one of the featured wallpapers or you can select weather and astronomy. There are numerous options you can select, and you will also select photo shuffle if you would like your wallpaper to change periodically. After you have done that, you are going to go back to this page and right below your home screen, and the home screen is the one right here. You are going to tap on customize, and from here you are going to tap on photos, or you could select color if you want. So for this example I'll simply tap on photos. Then I'm going to tap on the photo option in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to select this photo just for example. So I'll select this photo right here, then tap on done. Now that I've done that, I'm going to tap on done again, as you can see right there, and you will do this with all of your wallpapers right here. So you will change the home screen. After doing that, as you can see, remember that I've changed it, this one right here. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to select focus, and after selecting focus I'm going to tap on do not disturb. Then I'm going to select edit right below customize screens, and from here I'm going to tap on the screen that I have edited earlier, which would be this one right here. Then I'm going to tap on done, and after doing that you can close out of this. You can see the pairing right there. You want to ensure that is the pairing with the home screen that you have edited earlier. So once it is with that pairing, I can simply tap on done. Then you can close out of this and you will realize that your home screen has changed. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.